Hi everyone. So today we are going to see कि हम क्लाउड कोड को हम अपने remotely कैसे access कर सकते हैं through our mobile phone. And this feature have been just provided by Anthropic. Couple of days, I would say, 26th को they have launched it. So currently it is available to Max users, and the user can also check with their subscription as they are gradually releasing this feature. So it's very easy because आपको अपने सिस्टम के सामने बैठने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप कहीं पर भी हैं, आप अपने कोड को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, and you can give any command, you can do anything from your mobile phone itself. So let's see how we can do this. So let me share my screen. For that we have to launch our Visual uh, Code, and in that Visual Studio Code I have to select मैं कोई भी फोल्डर्स सेलेक्ट कर लेता हूँ। फॉर एग्जांपल मैं एक क्लाउड डेमो करके फोल्डर सेलेक्ट करता हूँ, एंड दैट फोल्डर इज हियर। एंड मैं एक टर्मिनल ऑन करता हूँ। लेट अस क्लोज फ्रॉम हियर एंड वी विल ओपन अ न्यू टर्मिनल एंड विल से क्लाउड। तो इससे हमारा क्लाउड लॉन्च हो जाए, and we can say any command, or we can say कि भाई what exactly, but हमें यूज करना है ये पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट, ये पर्टिकुलर फोल्डर हमारा मोबाइल फोन। so what we have to do, we have to type exit and we have to say Claude remote control. Okay, so what will happen, so it will give us a URL जो कि हमने अपने मोबाइल फोन पर भी क्लाउड कोड को इंस्टॉल करा हुआ है। सो आप अपने हैविंग this Apple product, so you can install from there as well. So अब इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर स्पेस की प्रेस करेंगे, इट गिव्स अस अ QR कोड। तो अगर हम इस QR कोड को स्कैन करते हैं, ठीक है। So I am having the access to my Claude code. I ask, please provide how many active workflow I have. So what it will do, it will provide, because this particular project is, ये will be learning more on the next session. ये है कि NA10 के प्रोजेक्ट्स को बताता है कि कितने आपके ये NA10 से कोलैबोरेट हुआ हुआ है, और यहाँ से ही आप अपने NA10 के वर्क फ्लोज बना सकते हैं। तो currently it is running, and so it is, using this structure and checking how many instances. Okay, so it has given, so that's so many number of instances we have. यहाँ से हम एक कमांड भी दे सकते हैं एक नया NA10 का एक वर्कफ्लो बनाने के लिए। तो हम बोल सकते हैं, कैन यू क्रिएट N8N workflow in my instance which will check my Gmail account, and if there is any mail from the person named Atul, please respond accordingly. So what I have done, I have just given a simple command to create a N8N workflow. Okay, remote के साथ साथ एक और extra step हो गया है इस वीडियो में कि how you can create your uh, you know N8N workflow from Claude. So इससे क्या होगा, because ये already set up है, so we'll look it on this particular thing again. So what is happening, that your Claude code started running here. So wow, this is quite nice. So let me ask a couple of before analyzing the plan. So I can change the plan mode to write and edits directly. Gmail trigger recommended. So it is asking, okay, what exactly I need to say. Auto send reply. I would say draft only. So अब ये पूछ रहा है को कौन सा मॉडल यूज करना है. कल से ओपन एआई चैट जीपीटी मिनी. So trigger type. Okay, so no, okay, now it is working. Yeah, so it is building the workflow, deploying it to uh, my NA10. तो अभी हम जा करके देख सकते हैं कि NA10 में ये वर्कफ्लो आया है कि नहीं आया है. So once it is done from here, so means from our mobile phone everything is working, and it will be created, through the access of this folder which we are having. So it is asking, something to allow. So now it is running. So, okay, so let's build the JSON file. So now the second step it is deploying into our workflow. So it has been deployed. Okay, that's great. So now it is verifying. Now it is verifying. Uh, okay, that's really cool. So अगर हम अब अपना NA10 पे जाकर के देखते हैं, so we can go through NA10 here itself. So I'm having NA10. So I can check with whether mm, this has been okay. Gmail auto reply to अतुल. That's great. So आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर ये इसने NA10 में वर्कफ्लो भी बना दिया है. Okay, so it has already used the chat GPT model, will trigger, and if the email is, will check if the email is from Atul, and it generate the reply, and it is done. So whenever if I can, what I can do, I can just send an email from here itself to my email ID. Let me see. थोड़ा सा वीडियो बड़ा हो रहा है, but this is something not related to remote, the session which we are having for this. So let me, send an email and see. Let's say it's A.T. Gupta, subject from Atul. Okay, that will say test mail. So I have sent an email to my email ID, and let's see how it is getting triggered, although it is not related to this particular. एक बार इसको execute करके देख लेते हैं. Why it is not executing? Because we have to configure. So we'll take this thing in another session, but we know from here that we can build the N8N workflow also from our Claude code, and not only from Claude code, but we can build the everything, from the mobile phone. We have given the command from mobile phone. तो उसने N8N जो हमारी मशीन और जो क्लाउड कोड है हमारी मशीन पे, उसने ये सारा एग्जीक्यूशन करा, और जो N8N का अकाउंट हमारे पास है वहाँ पे वर्कफ्लो को बन डिप्लॉय भी कर दिया. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, Anthropic is, getting really crazy in this new arena of artificial intelligence. So use these kind of utilities and be more productive. And that's all for the day. And I hope that you will be, liking this feature of Claude Code a lot. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.